Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome to my channel. Today another tutorial that I want to share. So I'm going to show you a super fun and easy tutorial on how to turn your static image into moving videos or animated inside or using Canva. So without any further ado, grab your images, follow along, and let's make your designs to move. Let's do this. Alright, so now guys, we are here on Canva homepage as you see. So to do that, click over here on your left side. You will find the app. So just click this apps and the icon on the left side. Click that one. And then here are a lot of AI generator tools that you can use to create your projects or to make a design for your project. Okay, so here we're going to find the video maker. You can scroll down here and find the video maker. Alright, so there are a lot of video makers apps here, so this is what I want to show to you guys, and I want to show you how I did it into my static images. So just click this video maker here. Okay, you can use your existing design. So I'm gonna show you guys the design that I created. This is the existing designs. I can use this, or I can create a new design. I just want to show you guys how it looks like after you convert it into video. This is my thumbnail. This is my YouTube thumbnail to one of my videos, and of course it's just an image. It's a PNG image, and I just upload this one and then convert into video, and this is how it looks like. There you go. Alright, now you can put some background audio, or you can do some voiceovers about it. So this is how we're gonna make these images into a video. Alright, so let's go back and let's create a new design. But let's go back to Canva and let's create another design. Okay, like what I've told you, here on the side there are icons here. Click the apps and let's find the video maker. So if you cannot see the video maker, you can just click this AI generation and let's find out the video maker, since there's so many. Okay, let's type it here and find the video maker. I'm gonna choose the same file and open this, and then I just want to say here, a lady showing how to make a DIY essential pot. Alright, and then let's generate a video, and now it's generating the video. Let's see how it looks like, guys. It's a video maker. So let's wait for a second. And now we're going to add the design. If you don't want a video, you can generate another video. So just make sure of the units that you have to. Okay, so there you go. All right, so this is how you're gonna make your static images into a video for at least 5 seconds. Okay, let's play this one again. All right, so you can generate another video. You can use a voiceover. You can put a background music over here, and this is the second one that I created. So those are all the images. Those are the thumbnails. This is one of my thumbnails. This is one of my thumbnails, and I just make a video in it for 5 seconds. Alright, so that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and for all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. And if you have any questions, and if you have any tutorial apps inside of Canva that you want me to create, I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna make more tutorial about Canva apps. There are a lot of things that we need to discover inside of Canva, and I will show those apps inside of my tutorial. Alright, so thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.